How to trade on Roblox Mobile. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Roblox Mobile. So this means you can trade on Roblox on your iPhone or your Android phone. All right, so before we get started, it's important to note that in order to trade on Roblox, you need to have a Roblox Premium membership. And if you don't have a premium membership in Roblox, you can get one within the app by selecting the three dots with a circle around it in the bottom right, then select Premium in the top right. And this is where you can purchase your membership or check the status of your membership. But as you can see at the bottom, it says unlock the ability to trade items. So once you have your Roblox Premium membership, in order to get started with trading on Roblox Mobile, unfortunately, it's not possible to trade within the actual Roblox app. So what we need to do is open up a browser, and you just want to navigate to roblox.com, and I'll be using the Chrome browser. Once you get to roblox.com, it might say continue in app. Go ahead and select continue in browser. And then we just need to log into our account. Once we've logged into roblox.com on our phone, the first thing we need to do is select the avatar shop in the very top. And then once in here, we just need to select the three horizontal lines next to search. So this will open up some of the menus. Under categories, we want to select collectibles. And then you can filter even further. I'm just going to select all collectibles. And then we just need to select apply. This will show you all the different collectible items that can be traded within Roblox. So from here, we just need to find an item that we want. So I'll select this one right here, the antlers. If we scroll down, we can see the price chart for this. So this is going to be the price over history. You can see if the price is going up on it, the price is going down. Is this a good investment? Then right next to the price chart, you'll see resellers. Select that. And then as you can see in here, we can see everyone who owns this, who is willing to trade. So if you see trade next to their name, they're open to trade. All we have to do is select trade. Once the trade loads, we'll first see our inventory and all the items that we can select to offer them for a trade. And unfortunately, this account doesn't have anything to trade, but this is where you would select those items. Then if you scroll down, you'll see their items there and what they're willing to trade. So you can select those and request those items for trading. Under that, we can scroll down and see the things that we've selected. And we also have the option to add Robux to our trade. So if we want to sweeten the deal a little bit, we can add Robux to that. If you scroll down, you can see what you're requesting and also the total value of that at the bottom. Once you have selected your inventory for trading and the inventory you want from them, simply go to the bottom, select make offer, and then your trade will be submitted. Once your trade's been submitted, you can check the status of it by going up into the top left and selecting the three horizontal lines, and then select trade in the menu. And this is where you can see all of your trades. You can select the drop down here and see all of your inbound, outbound, completed, and inactive trades here. So that's how you trade on Roblox Mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.